If you are a resident in the Netherlands, you may have received a letter from the tax authority, the Belastingdienst, notifying you that you need to make your income tax returns from March 1st, 2025. In this video, I want to run through the information and documents you need to arrange in order to do your income tax returns in a proper way. And if you are making use of a bookkeeper or a tax consultant, it's also important for you to know what you need to provide for them to be able to do your income tax returns. This video is focusing on the individual and private information that you need to bring along with you during the income tax returns. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Goodness Abara. I am a bookkeeper here in the Netherlands, helping self-employed small business owners manage their accounting so they can run their business with confidence, knowing the accounting and the tax aspect is well taken care of. In the description of this video, you will find resources to help you with your business if you run a business in the Netherlands. You would also find out how you can get in touch with me should you need any support regarding your bookkeeping or your taxes. So I'm right here on the website of the Belastingdienst. I have just translated this screen to English. It's by default in Dutch. And I have simply searched what do I need to file my income tax returns for 2020. I tapped it in Dutch and I am on the website, which I automatically translated to English for the purpose of this video. To make your income tax return, first you go to the website of the Belastingdienst.nl. On the website of the Belastingdienst.nl, you go to log in and then it takes you to my tax service. Usually this will be in Dutch. You have to translate it to English if you will. If not, you can proceed with it in Dutch. But this is already automatically translated. So you go to my tax service and it takes you here where you will log into my tax authorities and you have to use your digit code to proceed with income tax return. But this video will take you through all the things you need to prepare before you start making your tax returns. When you log onto the website of the Belastingdienst for income tax returns, some information concerning you would have been already filled out in the system. The tax authority gets this information from banks, from the Gemeente, and other official sources. So yours is to review those information and validate that they are correct. If you're in paid employment, some of your information would also already been submitted by your employer to the tax authority. So some of those information is already filled out and you just need to review them and update wherever necessary. So the information you need for your income tax returns are your personal data. You need to have your BSN number, your account number, and your digit code, and that of your partner. It is the digit code that you will use to log into the portal to make your tax returns. If someone is helping you to make the tax returns like I do as a bookkeeper, I help people file their tax returns, then you also will provide authorization for that individual to be able to help you. You need to have your income statement. In paid employment, you will receive the annual salary statement, and that summary of your income for 2024 is what you will use to complete your income tax returns. If you're a business owner, your annual account is what you need to file your income tax returns, in addition to all the other private information, while those in paid employment will use the annual income statement provided by their employer for the income tax returns. You need to have your bank account handy. The banks would have sent out to you your annual summary for 2024. This is what you will also bring with you for the income tax returns. If you have any investments or children accounts and savings accounts, you need to put all of this together for your income tax returns. Are you into crypto and do you have crypto assets? You also have to bring the annual overview for your crypto exchange. That data that is required for your income tax returns is your living information about your accommodation, most especially if you own a house or you have a mortgage. You need the letter that the local government sends to you at the beginning of the year about the value of your property according to the Gemeente. You need that letter for your income tax returns. You also need the statement of your mortgage for the year. This is provided by your mortgage institution. If you recently bought a house or you sold your house during 2024, you also need to gather all financial information in relation to the sale or purchase of the house. This includes notary statement and every cost or income associated with selling or buying a home. Next is deductions. Do you have deductions like donations to recognized charity organizations? You need to have this handy with you. Do you incur health care costs that is not covered by your insurance company? These have to be health care costs that is recommended by your GP. And if it is not covered by your insurance, you also bring that as part of your income tax returns. If you are paying spousal support, alimony, and child support, you also bring that in during the income tax returns. Loans, if you have loans or you are paying extra premiums and annuity for pension, or you are being paid disability insurance, you have dividend income from investments, and all other financial information that you have, you put them together, and then you have everything you need to make your income tax returns. You can always find more information on the website of the Belastingdienst. If you are new in the Netherlands and you arrived in the Netherlands in the year 2024, you will be completing a different kind of tax return called the M form. For this, you need more information. It usually requires you to provide information about where you're coming from and your financial situation at the time you arrived and the date of your arrival. A lot more information is required in that one. And if you also relocated out of the Netherlands during 2024, you also have to fill out an immigration to close out your financial record with the tax authority when you relocate out of the Netherlands. Finally, if you are a business person, I have a video that I recorded in my previous episode where I cover everything you need from a business perspective for your income tax returns. You can find the video on the screen, go watch it, and I will talk to you again in my next video.